Hello students, let us start with loops in C. First of all, what is the definition of loop? It's defined as a block of statement executed repeatedly for a certain number of times. If we have to execute the repetition with some increment or decrement, then you can use loops. Following are the steps in the execution of loop. First is initialization. We generally call this content as expression 1. For example, I is equal to 1. Basically, it is the starting point. Then test condition, expression 2. For example, I less than equal to 10. We will learn these things inside programming. Third one is increment or decrement. Basically, it is a third expression. For example, I plus plus or I minus minus. If I am writing I plus plus, it means each time the value is incremented by 1. If I am writing I minus minus, it means each time the value is decremented by 1. If I have to jump more than 1, then I can write I is equal to I plus 2. It means I can increase the value each time by 2. And if I am writing I is equal to I minus 2, it means each time I can decrease the value by 2. There are 3 loops. One is for loop, second is while loop, and third is do while loop. First one, we have to write expression 1 inside round bracket, then semicolon, expression 2, semicolon, and expression 3. In this way, we can write inside program. For I is equal to 1, I less than equal to 10, I plus plus. If I have to decrease the values, then I can write I is equal to 10, I greater than equal to 1, I minus 1. With the help of this, we can print the values from 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3, up to so on. I can print the values up to 10, and by using this, I can print the values in reverse order. 10, 9, 8, up to so on, 1. I can print the values in reverse order. Now what is the meaning of this? Here initialization is not there, test condition is not there, increment or decrement is not there. It means it's infinite loop. Similarly, the case here, you can try on your system also. It's also infinite loop because increment or decrement is not there. The second one is while loop. Now the 3 conditions, expression 1, expression 2, and expression 3. First of all, we have to write expression 1, I is equal to 1 in first step. Then while expression 2, it means while I less than equal to 1. Basically, it's initialization. Means the starting value. This one is the test condition. And after applying test condition, we can print the statement. And after printing the statement, we can apply increment or decrement. In this case, increment is there. And in do while, first of all, you have to write expression 1, that is I is equal to 1, initialization, and then statement, then increment. In this case, increment is there, and in the last step, you have to apply test condition. It means you can execute the loop without checking the test condition also in do while. It's the basic difference between while and do while. Hope you understand the content of for, while and do while loop. In the next video, I will discuss about the practical application of for, while and do while loops.